Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone! I received a package from the brand oulaccosmetics. It's their Velvet Matte Lipstick collection with 13 different colors, and I'm so excited to try them. So let's try them out. It's a lightweight velvety lipstick, features an intense color payoff with a comfortable matte finish. This creamy, full coverage formula glides on smoothly and evenly to deliver luxurious, highly pigmented color with a great long-lasting performance. Now let's do the swatches of 13 different colors. Let's start with Y02 Puppy Love. Next, Y03 Addicted to Love. The third color is Y04 Supergirl. Fourth color, Y05 Indian Summer. Fifth color, Y06 Red Velvet. Sixth color, Y07 Secret Life. Seventh color, Y08 Last Fall. Eighth color, Y09 Cranberries. Ninth color, Y10 Ordinary Orange. Tenth color, Y11 Summer Again. Eleventh color, Y12 Joyful. 12th color, Y13, Taste of Love. Thirteenth color, last but not the least, Y14, Once Bitten. Now let's see how it looked like on my lips. Let's start with the first color, Y02, Puppy Love. It's a very bright red. Among all the colors, this is the brightest. It's more of like a neon kind of pink red. Next color, Y03, Addicted to Love. It's still in the red shade, but definitely not as bright as Y02 Puppy Love. It's more of like a combination of red and purple. Next color, Y04 Supergirl. It's a combination of pink and red color. Next, Y05 Indian Summer. It's one of my favorite among the collection. It's a red with brown undertone. Next is Y06 Red Velvet. It's also one of my favorite. The color is very subtle. It's more on to the nude category. Next, Y07 Secret Life. This is more onto the pink undertone. Next, Y08 Last Fall. This is the very nude of all the collection. It's very natural when you put it on your lips, so it's very good as everyday lipstick. Next, Y09 Cranberries. This is really red, but it's not as bright as Y02 Puppy Love. Next, Y10 Ordinary Orange. It's red with orange undertone. Next, Y11 Summer Again. This one is very purple in color. Next, Y12 Joyful. This is more on the nude category. It's more of the same color as my lips. Next, Y13 Taste of Love. Of all the reds in the collection, this is what I can say the true red color. Last but definitely not the least, Y14 Once Bitten. This is red but more on to the browner shade of red. This is also one of my favorite among the collection. These lipsticks are specially formulated with rose essential oil to help condition and hydrate delicate lips for a silky, non-drying feel. Shea butter and jojoba seed oil work to soften and nourish for smoother, kissable lips. So please do check their website. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And until next time, bye!